Welcome everyone, Kevin from Helpful Tutorials. Today I'm going to go through and show you how to make the text on the phone larger. So to do that, what we want to go ahead and do is tap on Settings. And in here we're going to go ahead and choose Display and Brightness. And you'll see text size available there. You also have bold text. So if you want the text to be thicker, you can go ahead and turn bold text on just by selecting this. It will go through and apply the settings and restart your phone if you do have bold text on. So for now we won't do it, but if you would like to, that's how you would do it. Next we'll choose text size, and here you can go ahead and make it larger so you can see easier. Simply drag the bar on the bottom right to the right to make it larger, and you can see the text getting larger up at the top. You can also scale it down as well. Remember, it started in the middle, so we can go ahead and make it smaller if you would like that. Most people, however, will probably want it a little larger, so simply by moving over one notch or two should go ahead and help you out a lot. Once you have that set up, that's all you have to do. You simply just tap back to settings, simply push up, and you'll be back to your home screen and you'll be good to go. And you can notice that the text is so much larger now, even in the menus here. If this has helped you, please go through and subscribe, and thank you so much for the view.